have a special delivery straight from Bulgaria. And with all the crazy stuff going on in the world, I'm surprised that it got here as quick as it did. So we're going to get into unboxing what this actually is. A hint, like I said, it was from Bulgaria, and it's a very special figure, one that I used years and years and years ago on stage, and now I have a copy of it back. Now I know you're dying to see what's inside. Well, frankly, so am I. I've had one other figure done by Georgie in Bulgaria, and I'll tell you, he is an awesome talent. And I'm very excited to open this up and see how he looks. What I like about Georgie is he shows you every step of the way. I can get it out with a styrofoam intact. What do you think of that? Let's see if I can. Georgie definitely packs everything perfectly, so nothing can be broken in transit. And if anybody's worried about buying something from Georgie, you don't have to worry about it. This is the second figure I've had him create for me, and every one is a masterpiece. Side to side eyes.
It's been a long time. I had to get out of that box.
And the raising eyebrows. Outstanding. It was definitely worth the wait. So if you get a chance, place your order with Georgie from Bulgaria.
You'll be glad you did. Oh, it's so good to be out of that darn box.
There he is. Oh yeah, I gotta show you his body too.
Hey! It was such a long flight.
Oh, your breath stinks. Would you eat a skunk?
Yeah, guess which end I started with.
Oh, I can't imagine. But here he is. Stanley.
Hey, you know my name. You're pretty smart for a dummy.
We'll see you on the next unboxing.
Thanks, Georgie.